The motor's not down all the way. There we go. Give it a wave. I got you on video. Here we go.
We're away. It's a beautiful day.
We'll see how we are when we come back. Yeah, look at the colors.
Yeah, look at that. 42 feet here. Fish right there.
Probably a sturgeon sitting in the little hole.
Probably is. You didn't actually see my copying here, did you?
Line's been in the water for 3 minutes.
Yeah. 5 minutes. 3 minutes.
And he's battling a big guy that's just holding him at the surface.
Yeah, this is a nice fish.
Gaining a little ground.
Okay, I'm already building up a pretty good sweat here.
I want to see him
Wishing
come
I
out.
hadn't put so much clothes on.
Smile.
Yeah, first fish of the day.
Yeah, let's see if we can get him in the boat. My concern is the net. Might not be big enough.
Yeah, I've been abused before with that net, but I was gonna buy a bigger one, and I'm still gonna.
Actually, I got one at home. I could have brought it.
Oh, you got a bigger one?
A little bit bigger, I think.
Yeah, well, quit bragging.
Next time. I'll just check the wheel. It's nice and calm out here. Gaining some ground.
Come on, baby.
Work him.
Yeah, he'll grow up eventually again, but for now,
Got him on zoom here. He might, when he gets to the boat, he might take a dive straight down.
I think that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. Shot of your rod tip.
Oh, this is fun.
He's a big one.
That was pretty nice.
He was huge. Yeah. Let's take your time. My rod's just staying dry.
Yeah, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna enjoy this.
Let's see that smile again.
It's a pretty big smile right now. Man, that was big when it jumped out, eh?
Boy, he's a tough guy, isn't he?
He's a brute.
Probably one of those white springs.
Yeah.
There he is. He's too close.
Yeah, he's got some backbone to him.
He's got some girth.
Well, I hope he's getting tired because I'm getting tired.
Here, I'm gonna video a little bit here. Here, just, okay, here. Look at the size of him. He fought hard. How's the fish? Around and up the Fraser. Get one more bite before we pull him up.